children. So in this video we'll learn how to arrange rational numbers in ascending order. Okay, so we have got here 5 by minus 7, minus 9 by 14, minus 5 by 6, 7 by minus 12. So first and foremost, let us make these rational numbers wherever the denominator is negative, let us make that positive. Okay, so minus 5 by 7, 9 minus 9 by 14, then minus 5 by 6 and minus 7 by 12. So over here now next step is, let us take out the LCM of denominators, that is 7, 14, 6 and 12. So let us take out the LCM 7, 14, 6 and 12. So it will go in 7 table, 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 6 and 12 will be as it is. Then let us go with 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 6 are 12. Then again 3 table, 3 ones are, 3 twos are. Then 2 table, 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are. Okay, like 1 1 1 already is there, 2 ones are last. Okay, so here 7 into 2 into 3 into 2. So you got 7 into 2 into 3 into 2. So equals to 7 twos are 14 and 3 twos are 6. So 14 into 6 will give you 84. So your LCM is 84 over here. Now the next step is, you need to now 4 rational numbers have been given. Okay, so each rational number you have to write and you have to multiply the denominator with some numbers so that you should get 84. Okay, first of all let us write the rational numbers whatever is there. First is minus 5 by 7. Okay, so this minus 5 by 7 you need to multiply numerator and denominator, like you need to multiply denominator into the number which will give you the result as 84. Okay, so 7 into what will be 84? 7 into 12 will be 84. So when you're doing something to the denominator, then the same you will apply to the numerator also. So 5 into 12, 7 into 12. In this way you have to do. So minus 5 into 12 will be 5 12s is 60. So minus 60 divided by 7 12s are 84. Fine. So now next rational number we have is minus 9 by 14. So minus 9 by 14 you have to write, then into 14 into what will be 84. So 14 into 6 will be 84. So 9 into 6 you have to do. Then 9 6 is 54. Here minus. So minus 54 divided by 84. Now the next rational number you have is minus 5 by 6. So over here minus 5 then 6 into. Now 6 into what will be 84? 14s are. Okay, so 14 is 84. Now 5 into 14 will be 70. So minus 70 divided by 84. Now the last rational number you have is minus 7 by 12. So minus 7 into 12 into. So 12 into what will be 84? 7s are. So here also we are multiplying with 7. Okay, whatever you are multiplying, whatever you are doing in the numerator, the same you have to do in the denominator also. 7 7s is 49. So minus 49 divided by 12 7s is 84. Okay, so this is how you got the rational numbers. First is minus 60 by 84, second is minus 54 by 84, then minus 70 by 84, then minus 49 by 84. Fine. So after this let us just compare. Okay, whatever you got, let us just compare it. So here you got the first rational number as minus 60 by 84, second as minus 54 by 84 and minus 70 by 84, and then minus 49 by 84. Now you need to compare this. You have to write these rational numbers in ascending order, right? So over here you see here 60, minus 54, minus 70, minus 49. All the denominators are same, okay? So only you consider the rational numbers and you write which one is smaller, okay? Rational, this ascending order is nothing but smaller to bigger. So which is the smaller number over here? Now the bigger number will become smaller. Why? Because negative sign you're having, okay? Now 70 is the bigger number, but when it is minus 70 it will become smaller, okay? So first of all minus 70, let us write, is less than, then second is 60, so minus 60 by 84, and then minus 54 by 84, and then minus 49 by 84. So this is how you got. Actually what is minus 70 by 84, that also you need to write. It is minus 5 by 6, okay? You got minus 5 by 6 as minus 70 by 84. Then minus 60 by 84 is minus 5 by 7. Then it is less than minus 54 by 84 is minus 9 by 14. Then minus 49 by 84 is minus 7 by 12. So this is how you are arranging in ascending order rational numbers. Always first step what you need to do is when there are negative denominators, you make it positive by shifting the negative sign to the numerator. Fine. And then next step will be you have to take out the LCM of the denominator. Then whatever you got the LCM, that number you need to check whether in the denominator, like here 7 is the denominator, okay? 7 into, you have to multiply 7 into the number which will give you the result as the LCM, like 84, suppose you're having LCM here, okay? So in this way you have to multiply. So this is how you are doing, you are arranging the rational numbers in ascending order.